This is Andy Tomlinson. When ensuring what's important to you, our agents are there when you need us the most. Tomlinson Insurance, for the best coverage at the best cost. Visit us online at tomlinsonins.com to learn more.
Last year, we didn't know what to expect, and
Exactly.
it turned out to be a fantastic event.
Yeah, it was. It was great. It was not doing it before. It was a little bit of a learning process, but we really it actually turned out really well considering we never done one. But this year, with the knowledge we had last year going into it, we're a little more organized, and it was very helpful. And I think we're going more ahead of the game, and it's going to even be better this year. So, but yeah, it's been great. The driver's been great. Working with Kenworth's been great. The city. I mean, it's just been wonderful. So it's been, it's a labor of love, but it's been easy because these folks are so cooperative and working together. So it's been really good. So
You drove through the parade last year, and what was your response to the crowd's response?
Oh, it was wonderful. And going into that being the first one, and I know a lot of the employees, live here in Chillicothe that work at the plant, so I knew there was going to be a few people, but I had no idea it was going to be, so many people on the streets. I mean, even when the trucks were staged, people walking around looking at the trucks, and the interaction with the fans, the crowd with the trucks. I mean, it was really cool. I expect that to be even more this year, being Kenworth's 100th anniversary. Plus, more people know about the parade now. Last year it was kind of, a lot of people didn't know about it, so now they're expecting it. So I can't imagine what this is going to be like this year. It's going to be great.
Number of folks are back from last year, which is good, but you got some new faces this year. And what has it been like trying to kind of peddle this to the truck drivers across the country?
Well, it's been great. Last year, again, when we were planning that, of course, we were planning that for 20, and then COVID delayed us a couple of years. But nobody knew about it, and I don't think a lot of the drivers knew the scope of what this meant. Not only for themselves but for Kenworth. So after having last year's, of course, it's all over social media and advertising and stuff. So a lot of the drivers knew about it. So this year, I wouldn't say it was easier. I guess it was. I had a lot more selections of trucks to pick from because a lot of people want to get involved in it, and the drivers that reached out and sent pictures of the trucks and of themselves and their background in trucking, it was wonderful. So it was kind of a treat actually getting to be able to choose from all this great group of trucks. Where the first year was more you kind of had to almost kind of pull it out of them to get them to understand what it was about and to get them to come. But this year it was great. So it was much better for sure.
A lot of folks are excited for it. Good luck to you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Appreciate it.